You ever sit at your desk, glance out the window, and think, what if I just disappeared for a while? Not like vanished, but took off into the woods with no cell signal and no one asking for status updates. Well, Toyota heard you, and they built the perfect escape plan, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. Welcome back to breaklimitZ, the channel where the pavement ends and real life begins. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about overlanding rigs of the year. This isn't just a truck. This is a declaration of freedom, and it rolls on 33-inch all-terrains. At first glance, the Trailhunter looks like a Tacoma on steroids. It's tall, aggressive, and ready to go full Bear Grylls. Toyota's not messing around here. This isn't a trim package. It's a purpose-built, from the factory, overlanding machine. And yes, it looks like it's been training for the apocalypse in the best way. You're working with high-clearance bumpers, steel skid plates, rock rails, and an integrated ARB rear bumper. Suspension? Oh yeah, we're talking old man MU shocks straight from ARB, designed specifically for this rig. Translation: this thing doesn't just survive the trail. Power-wise, you're looking at the i4CE Max hybrid setup, a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor, pumping out a combined 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. That's not just strong, that's best-in-class torque strong. Climbing boulders, check. Pulling your buddy's Wrangler out of a ditch, double check. And speaking of buddies, wait until you see the interior. This isn't a basic work truck with rubber floors and hand-cranked windows. Toyota gave it the premium off-road suit, rugged, but refined. A 14-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, built-in trail camera views, and a full suite of off-road data, like pitch, roll, diff lock status, and more. It's like having a trail spotter built into your dashboard. The Trailhunter also comes pre-wired for gear like rooftop tents, fridge units, lights, and other overlanding essentials. No aftermarket headaches. Just plug and play. There's even an onboard air compressor system option, perfect for airing down before the trail and back up when you hit the highway. That's the kind of detail that tells you this truck wasn't built in a boardroom. It was built on dirt. And here's something that really got me: the integrated trail lighting system. With a push of a button, you can light up your entire campsite. Ever set up camp in the dark and end up pitching your tent over an anthill? Not anymore. Now let's be real. The 2025 Trailhunter isn't for mall crawling. It's not for people who think gravel roads are adventurous. This is for the folks who want to get lost, on purpose. The ones who'd rather wake up to a mountain view than a hotel lobby. The ones who know a weekend off grid can fix things that therapy can't. But all that capability, it ain't free. Starting price is expected to land in the mid to upper $50,000 range, depending on options. But here's the thing: when you factor in what you'd spend on aftermarket builds, parts, labor, and troubleshooting, this is actually a smart buy. Toyota's giving you a factory-warranted trail-ready beast that's built to outlive you. So let me ask you, where would you take it first? Deep into the Rockies, Arizona desert trails, or maybe just out past where your phone stops working and your brain finally shuts off? If the idea of campfire dinners, starry skies, and waking up wherever the hell you want speaks to you, then the 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter might just be your spirit animal in truck form. If this episode lit a fire under your boots, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what your ultimate overlanding destination would be. More rugged rides and off-road adventures are just around the corner, right here on breaklimitZ. Stay wild, drive free, and I'll see you out there.